Horses out in a field of 6, coming out into a perfect beginning. We have Hari ng Iambo, pass to begin, moving a party outside, Lord of War. In between horses, Magna Carta, Darag, then followed by Barkley, Arbindugo. Into the turn, they gallop for the first leg of a Triple Crown Stakes race. We've got Hari ng Iambo, the leader by about 2.5 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Lord of War, running by the third is Magna Carta. 2 lengths for the back in for Darag, Barkley in between horses, and on the outside is Arbindugo. They swing into the back, and that's still Hari ng Iambo, goes on by about 4 lengths, and in second is Lord of War. Magna Carta is running by Drell. 2 lengths for the back in for Arbindugo, Barkley, and Darag, and that's still Hari ng Iambo by about 2 lengths. Magna Carta now trying to get closer in second, and on the outside is Lord of War. Arbindugo remains in fourth, then followed by Barkley and Daraga. And it's still Hari ng Iambo by Oralenga. And on the outside, moving up now is down inside Magna Carta, Lord of War. Barkley remains in fourth. And the stage is set with 400 to go. And it's still Hari ng Iambo by about 3 lengths. Magna Carta remains in second, Lord of War in third. Barkley is down on the inside fourth. But it's still Hari ng Iambo. A long shot by about 5 lengths. Magna Carta in second, and in third, Daraga. Last 50 meters, we have Hari ng Iambo. And entering the finish line, it's Hari ng Iambo. Won the first leg of the Triple Crown Stakes race. Second, close between Magna Carta and the Rock.